Hi, in this video, I'll show you the 3 most important checks you should do during import, so you can avoid the most common CSV issues. First, let's open the CSV file in Notepad. This is a sample dataset. You can download the same CSV file from the description below. Here, I can see there are 7 columns. And the delimiter is a semicolon. This is super important. Remember this delimiter because we'll need it in PowerBI. Now let's import the file. In PowerBI Desktop, go to Home, Get Data, Text CSV. Select the file and open it. Great! Here is the preview. I can see 7 columns, so everything looks fine for now. The first thing I always check is file origin, which is the encoding. Here it's set to UTF-8. If you ever see weird characters in names or cities, try changing this. UTF-8 is common. But sometimes Windows 12/52 works better. In my file, I have accents in the full name and UTF-8 displays them correctly. Perfect. Next, check the delimiter. This file uses semicolons, so the columns split correctly. But if you ever see everything stuck in one single column, the delimiter is wrong. For example, if I switch the delimiter to comma, you can see the data breaks. So if this happens to you, just try a few options, semicolon, comma, or tab, until the columns look normal again. At the bottom, you'll see 2 buttons, Load and Transform Data. If your data is already clean, you can click Load. But in this video, I'll click Transform Data because we want to fix some common problems in Power Query. Now we are in the Power Query editor. The third important thing is always check the data types. Look at the icons in the column headers. ABC means text, 1, 2, 3 means number. For example, record ID is text, and that's fine. Now look at customer ID. PowerBI imported it as a whole number, but in the original file, customer ID is actually an ID, not a real number. Let's open the original CSV file here. We can see that it has leading zeros, and it always has a fixed length, 9 characters. When PowerBI reads it as a number, it removes all the leading zeros. So let's fix it. We have to change the data type of customer ID. Click the 1, 2, 3 icon on the customer ID column. Choose text. Now PowerBI treats it like an ID. Good. Sometimes when you change a column from whole number to text, PowerBI will bring the leading zeros back automatically, like it did here, but other times it won't. So just in case, I created this extra column, customer ID 02. It's the same ID as customer ID, but without the zeros. And if your zero don't come back, don't worry, I'll show you the correct way to fix it. First, we have to change the data type to text. Next, we'll make sure every customer ID has exactly 9 characters by adding zeros on the left. Go to Add Column, Custom Column. I'll name this new column Customer ID New. In the formula box, enter the formula. Pet start means pet the start, so it adds characters to the left side. And first part, customer ID 02 is the text we want to fix. 9 means the final length should be 9 characters. And 0 is the character we want to add. This means take customer ID 02, and if it's shorter than 9 characters, add zeros on the left until it becomes 9. Click OK. Perfect. Now every customer ID has the same length. But here, the icon is ABC123. That means the column is type any or mixed type. This often happens right after you create a new column and Power Query is not sure if this column is text or number. For customer ID, we will set it to text because ID may have leading zeros. Once the icon becomes ABC, your values stay consistent. Okay, that's it for today. In the next video, we'll fix common issues with date and currency columns. At the end, just go to Home, Close and Apply. Then in the table view, you'll see your table with all the updates we applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.